Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. As part of my unboxing video, I picked up a spa tray for my Saluspa, Palm Springs. It's a 4 to 6 person hot tub. My biggest complaint with the hot tub is it didn't have any cup holders. So just taking a look at it, it has 2 cup holders for standard size cups, as well as a little snack tray. So let's try this on the hot tub and see how it fits. And you can get this off Amazon. They're around $25 plus tax. I must say, for the price, this is well worth it. This is a must for all the inflatable hot tubs out there with no storage for your drinks or for some snacks, and this is very, very stable. Anyways, just wanted to add a quick update to my hot tub video series. This is certainly a prized possession now in the hot tub. If you have any questions, comments, make sure you post them below. Thanks for watching.